In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the keyboard. What do you need? A screwdriver, spudger, a container to put the screws in, and a micro screwdriver. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take out these two screws. Put the laptop on its side and press into this hole with the micro screwdriver. Once you press there, the keyboard will come up. Then hold it. Now you can take out the keyboard. Disconnect the cables. Get the new keyboard and plug it in. Make sure that you position the keyboard properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.